A baby chicken.
Ooh. Do you hear ducks? I hear ducks, Lincoln. Listen.
Ducks.
I hear... You what?
Baby duck.
Yeah, the baby ducks. Hello? Are you saying hi, Lincoln?
What are you talking about?
I know what he's saying. What do you think he's talking about?
I don't know.
Do you think he's saying... Can you see them? How many do you see?
Okay.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I see a lot of chickies. Can you see them?
Yeah, what's over here?
There's nothing in there. They're on this.
A little brown baby. That's a little baby. Yeah, it's a baby.
What's here in the middle?
This cow's coming to say hi. Hi, this cow's name is Blossom. Say hi, Blossom. Hi, Blossom. Say hi. Oh, he's so sweet. It's a good cow. Look, it's like Morgan. He's sniffing you. He's sniffing you. Is that funny? He's sniffing your shoes.
He's back at me.
He's sniffing your shoes.
What's that?
He's sniffing your shoes.
What's that?
That's flies. He's sniffing your shoes. Hi, Blossom. Let's go. You're a good cow. You're a good cow. Say hi, Blossom.
Hi, Blossom.
Hi, Blossom. You're a good cow, aren't you?
Yeah.